Hi, this is Ryan Brown from mockquestions.com. In today's video, we will be discussing 5 aerospace engineer interview questions. But before we do that, just a quick disclaimer, these questions are not guaranteed to be asked at your interview. I've pulled all of today's questions and answers from our website, mockquestions.com. Now let's get started. Question number 1. What made you interested in a career path in aerospace engineering? Aerospace engineers are a rare breed of engineers, and it is a field that requires a firm commitment. For this question, your interviewer is looking to hear where your roots are grounded and why you chose to put the time and effort into studying and working in the aerospace industry. While there is no wrong answer for this question, try to answer from an engineering perspective and interest while also describing your love for aviation and the aerospace industry. From a very young age, I was always awe-inspired by airplanes, helicopters, and space shuttles. Some of my earliest memories are putting together complicated airplane models and being obsessed with how they operate. As I grew into my teenage years, both mathematics and the sciences were very strong suits for me, and I knew that engineering was a field I would be very successful at. It was this marriage of passion and skill that took me to Texas A&M University to study aerospace engineering. Question number 2. What does your typical day look like in your current job? To gain some insight on how you would plan your day and work through issues if hired for this position, your interviewer is posing this question to you. While keeping in mind that there is not necessarily a right or wrong way to answer this question, your interviewer will be looking to pull some subtle characteristics out of your work style and listening to how you answer this question. As you talk about your typical workday in your current job, be sure to talk about how you prioritize your work and use your ability to be flexible when high-needs tasks come up unexpectedly. With no 2 days being exactly the same in my current job, a typical day consists of a couple of standing meetings for projects I am leading or working on, and also with our testing team. Prior to the start of each day, typically the evening prior, I plan out my workday around my standing meetings. I always prioritize high-need items first. Each week, I try to set aside office time for dedicated time to work on technical reports and handbooks. I set aside this time to be free of distractions so I can work efficiently. Question number 3. How do you see artificial intelligence impacting the aerospace industry in the years to come? AI continues to show huge potential in changing common fields like sales, healthcare, and advertising, and it continues to bring the ability for great innovation in aerospace engineering. With this question, your interviewer will be looking to hear that you have knowledge of the impacts that AI can play in the field. They'll also be looking to see that you have a forward vision of how the future of the field can change more with its use. As you answer, be sure to talk about any direct experience you have with AI technology and focus your answer on where you feel the future of the industry may benefit the most. In my current role, I have seen the effects of artificial intelligence firsthand in our use of AI for data collection and testing. This alone has saved an inconceivable amount of man-hours and enabled our testing to speed up at an exponential rate. As far as the future of AI in the aerospace engineering realm goes, I really think the possibilities are almost endless. On the maintenance and efficiency side of things, I think that more AI will develop to monitor aircraft systems more closely and collect information that can detect defective systems and potentially save lives. On the design side, I've already witnessed AI algorithms used in generative design to help make design processes much quicker, and I think further advancements are coming here. Question number 4. Describe any leadership experiences you've had and what you've learned from those experiences that you'll bring to our team. Successful aerospace engineers are often asked to lead teams in research, innovation, and design in their field. For this question, your interviewer will be looking to hear about any prior leadership experiences that you have that will be valuable if you are hired for this role. Over the past 5 years since graduating in the field, I've had the opportunity to oversee several project teams in my current role. Leading those teams has really helped me gain valuable administration experience in coordinating and leading meetings. I've also gained a lot of project management experience and am confident in my ability to set goals, set deadlines, and meet all goals and deadlines at the end of the project. Perhaps most importantly, leading these project teams has really helped me gain great interpersonal leadership skills. I have the ability to lead by example and work effectively with any person that I'm leading. I also have the ability to step in when things are going well and coach my team members when needed. Question number 5. Imagine yourself in 3 years. What do you hope will be different about you compared to right now? As you prepare an answer for this question, try to focus on your career goals and where you really want to grow within the aerospace industry. Be sure to research the company you are interviewing for to ensure that your future goals align with the goals of the organization. In the end, your interviewer will really be looking to gauge your long-term fit with their organization. Having been in the working field for the last 4 years, I feel like I have developed a very well-rounded experience level in all things related to aerospace engineering. What has brought me here to this interview is my strong desire to be working in the commercial airlines industry, where I really fell in love with this field as a teenager. 3 years from now, I'd love to be leading new aircraft design projects that help ensure the safety and well-being of airline passengers for years to come. And I truly believe that this opportunity is my chance to do just that. Thank you for watching. If you want more aerospace engineer interview questions and answers, visit us at mockquestions.com.